Son of a... Okay, let's try again. So we will do this exercise, and how to do it I will show you now. So let's start with me. First, what you're starting to do, it's taking up our legs. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Stay with strong back. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Amazing work. And trying to take your leg and push more. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, after that we'll try to take our leg in the knees and pushing our leg in this side. And from this position we'll try and stretch our leg and close. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Stay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Take away hands and still 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Take the legs together. Take our breath and slowly breathe out. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So guys, thank you so much for your view. I will so happy that you support my channel and watching this video for final. And take me likes, write me good comments and waiting my new videos. So bye bye.